When you walk through a new suburban neighborhood or flip through a glossy home design magazine, it's easy to admire the beautiful, rugged stonework on many modern houses. But here's the twist. In most cases, what you're looking at isn't actually real stone, it's stone veneer. So, why do so many homes use stone veneer instead of authentic, full-bodied stone? Is it just a shortcut, or is there more to the story? Let's dive into the fascinating reasons behind this popular architectural choice and explore the real advantages and a few drawbacks of using stone veneers in modern construction right here on History of Simple Things. Let's start with one of the most obvious reasons: cost. Real stone is expensive, not just the material itself, but also the labor and transportation required to install it. Real stone is heavy, it's labor-intensive to quarry, cut, transport, and install. By contrast, stone veneer, particularly manufactured stone veneer, is significantly lighter and easier to handle. It's made from a mixture of cement, aggregates, and iron oxides, poured into molds that replicate the look of natural stone. This process allows manufacturers to mimic the appearance of various stone types, from limestone to slate, at a fraction of the price. The result is a product that looks convincingly natural, but is much more affordable, both in terms of initial material costs and installation fees. This brings us to another huge advantage: installation. Installing real stone requires a foundation that can support the significant weight of the stone. That might mean reinforced walls or footings, and the expertise of skilled masons who know how to stack and secure each piece. It's time-consuming, it demands precision, and in many areas, it's increasingly hard to find experienced stonemasons. Stone veneer, on the other hand, is often less than 2 inches thick and doesn't require a structural foundation. It can be adhered to walls with mortar or a specialty adhesive, sometimes even installed as interlocking panels. This opens up possibilities for builders and homeowners who want the stone look without dealing with heavy materials or complicated masonry work. In fact, in many cases, a contractor or even an experienced DIYer can install stone veneer with the right preparation. Then there's versatility. Real stone is limited by what nature provides. You're often restricted to local or regionally available types of stone unless you're willing to pay a premium for long-distance shipping. Stone veneer can be made to replicate nearly any style or type of stone, whether it's river rock, field stone, ledge stone, or something more exotic. That means designers and architects have a wider palette to work from. You can achieve the look of an old Tuscan villa or a sleek, modern stacked stone wall with products that are lightweight, consistent, and available in a range of colors and textures. And because it's man-made, veneer stone can also offer more consistency in shape and thickness, making it easier to plan around. There are also structural and environmental benefits to using stone veneer. For example, because of its lighter weight, veneer places less stress on a building structure. That might not seem like a big deal in a one-story home, but in a multi-story building or one with complex architecture, it can make a significant difference. There's also less fuel required to transport lighter materials, which can reduce the environmental impact associated with construction. Plus, many manufacturers are now offering stone veneers that use recycled content or that are produced in eco-conscious facilities, which adds another green point in their favor. But it's not all upside. It's worth acknowledging that stone veneer does have its limitations. For one, it doesn't have the same durability as natural stone. While a real stone wall can last for centuries, Stone veneer may show signs of wear after a few decades, especially if it wasn't installed properly. Water intrusion is one of the biggest concerns. If moisture gets behind the veneer and isn't able to drain properly, it can lead to mold, structural damage, or detachment of the veneer itself. Proper flashing, weep screeds, and drainage planes are essential, and skipping any of these steps can lead to serious issues over time. Real stone, by contrast, is far more resilient to the elements. It breathes, it weathers naturally, and in some cases it even looks better with age. From a real estate standpoint, there's also the question of perceived value. While stone veneer looks great, savvy home buyers or real estate appraisers might distinguish between veneer and real stone. In luxury homes or historic properties, the use of real stone can be seen as a premium feature that adds authenticity and long-term value. On the flip side, stone veneer is often viewed as a cosmetic improvement. Impressive, yes, but not quite as prestigious or lasting. That being said, in most mid-range homes, the visual impact of veneer is often more than enough to satisfy aesthetic expectations and boost curb appeal. Interestingly, stone veneer has also opened the door to more interior design possibilities. You probably wouldn't install a full stone wall inside your living room due to the weight and bulk. But with veneer, you can add a dramatic accent wall, a rustic fireplace surround, or even use it in a bathroom or kitchen backsplash. Because it's thinner and more adaptable, veneer makes it possible to bring that cozy, textured look of natural stone into spaces where real stone just wouldn't be practical. And thanks to modern manufacturing, the level of detail, down to the simulated grains and chisel marks, is incredibly convincing. So, why do so many homes use stone veneer instead of real stone? It really comes down to a balance of cost, convenience, and aesthetics. Stone veneer offers a high-end look without the high-end logistical challenges. It's cheaper, lighter, easier to install, and flexible in design, making it a favorite among builders, designers, and homeowners alike. Yes, it has its downsides. It doesn't last as long as real stone, and it won't fool everyone up close. But for many people, that trade-off is well worth it. In today's world of efficient construction and fast-changing trends, stone veneer is a smart way to achieve a timeless look without the timeless weight or price tag of real stone. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.